Welcome to online class, students. So we are already done with the first derivative test and the second derivative test. Okay, and we know some steps which we follow in the first derivative test as well as in the second derivative test. Okay, in first derivative test what we will do? So first we will do the f dash of x is equal to 0. Okay, so then after that we will get the extreme points. Okay, so we will get extreme points here. ನಮಗೇನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಅವನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಗ allocate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಯಿತು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಾ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿನಿಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, so in the second derivative test what we will do? See, we will first step is same. Okay, so we will equate this f dash of x is equal to 0, and after that we will find the extreme points, that is c1, c2 and so on. Some extreme points we will get, and for each extreme point first I will find out f double dash of x, and for each extreme point I will check whether it is a less than 0, its sign is negative, or its sign is positive, or is it equal to 0, we will check, and on this base we will decide the point of maxima, the point of minima, and if is it equal to 0. So we discussed one problem on this. If it is equal to 0, we go for the first derivative test. Okay, so if in this case we will go for first derivative test, and for f dash of x we will check it is changing from either negative to positive, positive to negative. We will see, on that base we will decide whether it is a point of maxima or a point of minima. See, we will discuss some problems on that. The first problem here they have given, find two positive numbers. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find two positive numbers. So we have to find out two positive numbers whose sum is 15. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅವೆರಡು ಸಮ್ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 15 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೂಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೂಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಹೂಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ 15 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ whose square of sum is minimum. Okay, minimum value I have to get here. So to find out this, suppose, see what they have given. So I will assume that let one number be x. Okay, see, let one number be x here, and let other number be y. Okay, other number be y. So sum of those numbers will be x plus y is equal to 15. Okay, so y is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು 15 minus x ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಎಕ್ಸು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಂಬರು, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 15 minus x. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ x value ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿಸ್ x, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್, so we got two numbers. Okay, find two positive numbers whose sum is 15 I got, and also we have the sum of whose squares is minimum. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ತಗೊತೀನಿ, s of x ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. So s of x denote the sum of squares of the number. So what is this s of x? S of x denote the sum of squares of the number. Okay, the sum of square of numbers. Okay, see, so what happens, s of x is a sum of square of numbers andra, so one is x square, one is 15 minus x whole. So s of x in denote ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ sum of the squares of these numbers. So here we have a two numbers, so s of x denote the sum of squares of these numbers will be what s of x becomes, s of x is equal to, that is x square plus 15 minus x square, isn't it? The sum of two squares, so that is, that is a one number is 15 minus x, that is one number is x, that is x square plus 15 minus x whole square. So now expand this equation, that is x square plus a minus b whole square, that is 15 square plus x square minus 2ab. Okay, 15 2s are 30 into x, So that will be x square plus x square is 2x square plus 15 15s are 225, I guess. Okay, 225 minus 30x. So what is this? So this is the s of x. Okay, so in previous problem we used to have a function f of x is equal to this, but here we got a function that is s of x is equal to 2x square minus 30x plus 225 we got. So now I will differentiate this equation, that is s dash of x becomes, so that is 4x, okay, minus, so this is 0 minus 30, 4x minus 30 I got. So if you double differentiate this equation, s double dash of x will be 4 I got. Okay, so this is the s double dash of x. So from this equation what I will do, the first step is to equate this function is 0. So what is the s dash of x is equal to 0 means, so which implies 4x minus 30 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 30 by 4, 4 ones are 4, isn't it? That is 2 twos are 4, okay, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, that is 15 by 2 I got. So I got the x value, x is equal to 15 by 2. See, I am not keeping this in terms of point, so I am keeping this in terms of a by b form, that is 15 by 2. So it will be easy for us to calculate. Okay, if you keep it in terms of 0.5, okay, 2 ones are 2 fours, 2 2 sevens are 0.2. So if you keep 7.5, so it will be complicated for us to calculate. So that's why I'm keeping this in terms of the a by b form, that is 15 by 2. So I got x is equal to 15 by 2. So what is this? This is an extreme point. So at this point I will check this, whether this s double dash of x is greater than 0 or less than 0, we have to check. Okay, so here we have a s double dash of x. Okay, so we have this s double dash of x is 4 we have. That is a constant function. So s double dash of x is equal to 4 is a plus 4 we have. So this is a greater than 0. So if you take for any x, okay, for any x it will be same. Okay, for x is equal to 15 by 2 it is greater than 0. So what happens once it is a greater than 0? So we have a point of minima, isn't it? So therefore x is equal to 15 by 2 is a point of minima. Okay, you can say point of local minima or you can say point of minima. See, isn't it? So once it's a point of minima, so they asked us to find whose squares is minimum. Okay, whose the sum of whose squares is minimum means, so ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ point x ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ. So this is a point of minima means, so therefore what happens here, x is equal to 15 by 2 and y is equal to 15 minus x. So that will be 15 minus 15 by 2. So 15 minus 15 by 2 is again a 15 by 2. So therefore x is equal to 15 by 2 and y is equal to 15 by 2. So those two positive numbers are x is equal to 15 by 2 and y is equal to 15 by 2. Those two numbers are 15 by 2 only. Okay, if you add these two, the sum of these two numbers is a 15, and if you take square and if you add those square of these two numbers, so that will be the minimum, that gives the minimum ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತು ಸಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಏನಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So I'll move for the next problem. So here x is equal to 15 by 2 and y is equal to 15 by 2, and therefore x is equal to 15 by 2 is a point of minima, hence we proved. Okay, so next move for the next problem. See, we have the second question. So this is quite interesting. With diagrammatically we will explain this. See, so let AP and BQ be two vertical poles. So AP and BQ, see, ಏನದಾವು vertical ಅದಾವ. So AP and BQ be two vertical poles at point A and B. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು poles ಅದಾವ at point A and B. So we have a two vertical poles AP and BQ respectively. Okay, see, if AP is 16 meter, so we have this AP is 16 meter and this BQ is 22 meter. Okay, So then we have a AB. So this AB total is a 20 meter. So this AB is 20 meter. Here we have, they have given AB 20 meter. Okay. So then find a distance of a point on AB. Okay. Distance of a point R on AB from point A such that RP square plus RQ square is minimum. Okay. ಸಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಎ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಅದು ಎಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂತ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು 20 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 20 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಅದ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ 20 ಮೀಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 20 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟರ್, we don't know what is this x, we have to find out. Okay, so if you find out this x, so we will get this one also. 20 minus x ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆರ್ ಬಿನೂ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವ ಎ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸಿ, so let R be a point. Okay, so let's see the solution for this one. So let R be point. Okay, R be a point, assume. So we got R be a point on AB. Okay, so it is understood R be a point on AB such that AR is equal to, AR ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? So AR is equal to X meter we have. Okay, so then RB will be, see, RB or BR you can say, that will be 20 minus X meter. Okay, so that will be 20 minus X meter. Okay, so see from this figure we have, see, so this is one right angle triangle and this is a one more right angle triangle. So from the Pythagoras theorem you know that, so RP square will is equal to AR square plus AP square. See, from triangle APR, what happens? RP square is equal to AP square plus AR square. Okay, so then we have from one more triangle. So what is the triangle? That is RBQ. See, this is RBQ. So from this triangle, so this side is equal to this and this side, square root of, see, RQ square is equal to RB square plus BQ square. So that will be RQ square is equal to RB square plus BQ square we have. Okay, so see, so if you add these two things, what happens? So RQ square plus RP square is equal to, so I will get AP square plus AR square plus RB square plus BQ square. So AP is 16. What is the AP? See, this is the AP, that is 16 square plus AR. What is the AR? That is X square. So this is a AR, X square, plus RB is what? RB is 20 minus X whole square plus BQ is 22 whole square. So this is a BQ. So this is the 22 whole square. So this is nothing but the, what is this one? So this is nothing but the RQ square plus RP square. So let's see what will be the, if you simplify this one, so we will get, this is a X square. Okay, so X square, if you simplify this one, see, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ a minus b square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ 2x square minus 40x plus 1140 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ s is equal to some s of x, that will be this. What is that? That is nothing but a rp square plus rq square. Okay, that is equal to, suppose, so this equation, that is 2x square minus 40x plus 1140. So if you differentiate this equation, what happens? That is nothing. So we got one equation, no? So we got some s of x is equal to, we got some quadratic equation. So if you differentiate this one, what happens? So that s dash of x will be, so that is 4x minus 40. Okay, ಈ equation differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, that is s dash of x, that is 4x minus 40 we got. So if you again differentiate this equation, okay, but before going to differentiate this equation, our first step is what in the second derivative test? So we have to make this is equal to 0. Okay, so that is the first step. If you make it equal to 0, that is 4x minus 40 equal to 0 means 4x will be 40. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 10s are, so x is equal to 10 we got. So if you got x is equal to 10, see, so x is equal to 10 is what is this? So this is the extreme point I got. See, ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು follow the procedure of second derivative test. Okay, so that will be, so that x is equal to 10 is the extreme point. So if x is equal to 10 is the extreme point, we have to check of the sign. That is, suppose if you make s double dash of x is equal to what? So s dash of x is nothing but a, so we have s dash of x, here we have this one, that is, sorry, this one, that is 4x minus 40 we have. So if you make s double dash of x, so that will be 4. Okay, for s double dash of x at x is equal to 10, so we have to check for extreme point. So is equal to 4. See, ನೀವು x ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 4 ಅದ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಎನಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x, I will get a 4 itself. So therefore, so this is a greater than 0, isn't it? So once if it is a greater than 0, what happens? So this point is the point of local minima. So therefore x equal to 10 is point of local minima, or you can say simply minima. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 10 is a minimum, x is equal to 10 is a point of local minima. So therefore, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, see, so here, so we have to keep this r point 10 meter distance, with 10 meter distance. So ಈ r point ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು 10 meter distanceನಾಗ, so we have to keep that. Okay, so this is about this problem. So x equal to 10 is a point of local minima. So what happens here? So thus the distance of r from A. Okay, the distance of r from A. See, the distance of r from A is 10 meter. Okay, so this is how you have to conclude these types of problems. So try to practice this one. So let me solve the next problem.